Lavani belongs to which of the following states? Orissa, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Assam. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Which of the following dance forms is popular in Himachal Pradesh? A. Laho, B. Nati, C. Raunf, D. Thora. Correct answer is B. Nati. Which of the following is a UNESCO recognized dance form? A. Dalkhai, B. Gedha, C. Bhangra, D. Kalbelia. Correct answer is D. Kalbelia. Rikhampada is a traditional dance of A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Bhangra, Gedda belongs to which of the following states? A. Assam, B. Punjab, C. Gujarat, D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Punjab. In which of the following states is the Mathuri folk dance practiced? A. Telangana, B. Haryana, C. Uttarakhand, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Telangana. What is the traditional bamboo dance of Mizoram called? A. Chero, B. Yakcham, C. Thangta, D. Manch. Correct answer is A. Chero. Which of the following communities of Sikkim is traditionally associated with the folk dance known as Chufat? A. Nepalis, B. Tamang, C. Lepcha, D. Bhutia. Correct answer is C. Lepcha. Garba belongs to which of the following states? A. Assam, B. Punjab, C. Gujarat, D. Bihar. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Rahuf belongs to which of the following place? A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Punjab, C. Gujarat, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Jammu Kashmir. Kamsal is a dance form traditional to the state of A. Karnataka, B. Gujarat, C. Goa, D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Karnataka. Bagurumba is a dash of the Bodo community in Assam. A. Local sport, B. Folk dance, C. Painting style, D. Ceremonial procession. Correct answer is B. Folk dance. Maimata is a popular dance of the Kaloi community from the state of A. Chhattisgarh, B. Tripura, C. Assam, D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Assam. Bharatnatyam dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. In which state has the Jawara dance performed? A. Rajasthan, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Ghuma belongs to which of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Bihar. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan. With which of the following states is the folk dance named Teratali traditionally associated? A. Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra, C. Assam, D. Telangana. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which of the following is a dance form in Mizoram participated exclusively by village guests? A. Solakia, B. Chero, C. Chailam, D. Kualam. Correct answer is B. Chero. Bihu belongs to which of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Assam. Correct answer is D. Assam. Chero dance is a traditional dance form of which state? A. Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Sikkim, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Mizoram. The Viragas dance, performed during the Dussehra festival, holds a special place in the folk dances of the state of A. Karnataka, B. Assam, C. Odisha, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Karnataka. Kuchipudi dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Ravi is a dance form associated with the Dash tribes of India. A. Mewati, B. Khasi, C. Jatapas, D. Bhil. Correct answer is D. Bhil. Which of the following dance forms is derived from martial arts practices? A. Chau, B. Jora, C. Bharatanatyam, D. Ghuma. Correct answer is A. Chau. The Dhangari Gajar traditional or folk dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Meghalaya, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Manipur. Correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Dash dance is a popular folk dance of Nagaland. A. Alayatu. B. Lashalaptu. C. Moyashai. D. Lava. Correct answer is B. Lashalaptu. Kathakali dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Bhand Pather is a form of theatre dance performed in A. Haryana. B. Sikkim. C. Goa. D. Kashmir. Correct answer is D. Kashmir. Which of the following dance types belong to the northern India? A. Kuchipudi. B. Odissi. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Kathak. Correct answer is D. Kathak. Which of the following is a dance form from the state of Uttarakhand? A. Thirukuttu. B. Cholia. C. Rauf. D. Kutiyattam. Correct answer is B. Cholia. Ranapa. A. Folk dance form of Orissa, consists of enacting chapters from the life of Lord A. Indra. B. Ram. C. Krishna. D. Hanuman. Correct answer is C. Krishna. Dash is one of the most popular folk dances of Orissa. A. Hojagiri. B. Giddha. C. Rauf. D. Dalkhai. Correct answer is D. Dalkhai. Dash is a dance which combines speech, mime and pure dance. A. Kathakali. B. Bharatnatyam. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Kuchipudi. Correct answer is A. Kathakali. Dash is a mask dance popular in South Malabar. A. Zemado. B. Dhangar. C. Parichakali. D. Kumatikali. Correct answer is D. Kumatikali. Povada dance is a performing art from the state of A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Surya Classical Dance Festival is held in Dash for 10 days every year. A. Rameshwaram. B. Madurai. C. Thiruvananthapuram. D. Mysuru. Correct answer is C. Thiruvananthapuram. Mohiniyattam dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Alayatu is a folk dance form from the state of A. Kerala. B. Haryana. C. Goa. D. Nagaland. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Hika are the dance forms of A. Orissa. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Manipur. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Povadas is a popular folk dance from the state of A. Gujarat. B. Kerala. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Tullal is a solo satiric dance form belonging to the state of A. Haryana. B. Kerala. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Goa. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Kolkala is one of the traditional folk dances of which state? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Kerala. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Kerala. Which of the following is not a folk dance belonging to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Hafiza. B. Dhumal. C. Dangi. D. Rauf. Correct answer is C. Dangi. Pawning and Tapu are popular dance forms from the state of A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Goa. C. Bihar. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Chat Shukra, a popular traditional dance festival of Meghalaya, is celebrated as A. Community Marriage Festival. B. Thanksgiving Festival. C. Birth Festival. D. Sowing Festival. Correct answer is Sowing Festival. Satriya dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Assam. Mand is primarily a traditional folk singing style from A. Rajasthan. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which of the following dances is dedicated to temples and was earlier known as Sadir? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kathakali. C. Kathak. D. Manipur. Correct answer is A. Bharatanatyam. Bhavai and Kalbelia as traditional dance forms owe their genesis to which Indian state? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Assam, D. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. Ghumar is a folk dance form from the state of A. Bihar, B. Jharkhand, C. Rajasthan, D. Tripura. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan.